Hey guys, Angela Silman here with Peacock Property Solutions. I'm excited to be back in town and show you the progress that we've made on our renovation in partnership with EA Homes and Milligan Construction. We are in week 3 of our renovation and things are progressing nicely. We have our rough electrical and plumbing complete. Our tile on the fireplace is done. And guys, our floor is in. We're gonna have this flooring throughout the entire condo. Notice it's a nice light color to help the condo feel big, open, and airy. We have some of our appliances and finished material there waiting to be installed at the right time. We have our upper and lower cabinets that are starting to be installed. To go. As we move into our bathroom, excited to show you the 12 by 24 inch big tile that goes from tub to ceiling. It gives it that nice dramatic height in the bathroom, and it contrasts really well against our bronze finishes for the shower. So we're making great progress here in week 3. What we're going to be finishing for the rest of the week is we'll get the rest of these cabinets installed. We'll have our countertop in, we'll get our vanity in the bathroom, and then we'll start to be putting in some of the final touches. So I'm excited to come back and show you the final product once it's fully staged and ready to be listed. So stay tuned.